Irena Drezi was born on September 18, 1996 in Prague, Czech Republic. She is currently 24 years old. Her astrological sign is Virgo. Irena Drezi is based in Dublin, Ireland. In the year 2000, Irena Drezi and her parents immigrated from the Czech Republic to Ireland. Then she was only 4 years old. Irena and parents were refugees and only her father knew English. Irena Drezi later studied business and law in a renowned college in Ireland. She can now speak 6 languages fluently, including English. Irena Drezi started her modeling career in 2016. She became active on Instagram since 2015. Irena Drezi stands 5 feet 9 inches tall or 175 centimeters. She weighs 80 kilograms or 176 pounds. She has a dark brown hair and brown eyes color, marital status, single, nationality, Czech Irish.